Morning from Main and Groom. So I wanted to share something that is very important when caring for gray hair. When you are relaxing gray hair, a lot of times you'll see a bit of a tint on the hair. Sometimes after you rinse the relaxer, it can appear to be yellowish, sometimes green. I want to show you how to remedy that. A lot of times people just grab the purple shampoos, they put the purple shampoo on white hair. It can work. But if you leave it too long, then the guest is leaving with a purplish tint on their hair. So one thing that works really well, I'm sharing this with you all, is super old school, but it is tried and true, is this right here, yellow out. So rinse the relaxer out of the hair completely, and then add the yellow out conditioner to the hair. Leave it from 5 to 10 minutes, and you will get sparkling, clean, crisp gray hair. Brandy told y'all, try it out. Be intentional about hitting all the spots of the hair where the gray may be. A lot of times it's at the roots of the hair, and if you just go in and mash conditioner in, you may miss some spots. So I like to take my applicator brush and just brush it in and make sure that I'm hitting all of the spots that might have gray hair.
I was going to ask you that because I have seen blue hair.
Blue, purple.
And Clairol got it.
Yep, shimmer lights.
And if you leave it on too long, you will have blue, purple hair.
So we have treated the gray, we have cut and styled this beauty. No yellow, no purple, just the way she likes it. Bright and shiny, right?
Right.
No purple.
No purple.